Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about how to add voice record on a document in Pages app. Voiceovers can bring text to life and make it easier to read. Adding voiceovers can help establish authority and trust. You can record yourself reading a page and add it to a document so readers can play it back. Pages app allows you to speak and instantly see your text or email messages. It supports many global languages and is up to 5 times faster than typing on a keyboard. So now let's see how can we add a voice in a document on Pages app. So first we have to open the Pages app. As you can see on the screen, we have already opened it. Then open a document, random document. Tap on this button, then you'll get to see record audio section. Tap on it. Here with the text you can record your voice just with the tap on this button here. Alright, so that is how you are going to record audio on a document in Pages app. Thanks for watching. That's it for now. Do like and subscribe for more videos.